Hello, my fellow eggheads. This is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to talk about my favorite operating system, Linux, and how to find a file on it. So from the command line. So I'm going to go ahead and get right to it. Also, if you find this video in any way helpful, please like and subscribe for more great content. Okay, so how this works is I'm going to show you my little file folder here. As you can see on my desktop, I have this folder called Pineapple. Click on it, and then I'm going to be looking for this file called Watermelon with a capital W. I'm going to open the command line here, and in the command line, I am going to type sudo space, and then I'm going to type find / then dash name, and then in quotes, I'm going to write the name of my file. And then I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to have to type in my password, and then it's going to get right to it. Depending on how many files you have, it could take a while, or if depending on the specs in your computer, a little bit. So as you can see here, that's exactly where it is. If I click this file up, boom, you found it. So really simple, easy to do. Also keep in mind it is case sensitive. So if I had typed in watermelon with a lowercase w, it wouldn't have found it. So keep that in mind. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.